Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a 3 marks question from the Cbse Supplementary Exam 2025. Let's look at the question. One healthcare center working for the welfare of the patient suffering from dengue recorded the following information. They've given you a table with the age of patients and the number of patients in each age category. Now, if the modal age of the patients is 54, then find the value of x. Okay, so they've given you the mode in the question and they're asking you to find this missing frequency here. Okay, so let's start off by writing out the formula to find the mode. Now, mode can be found out by using the formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 times H. Now, all we have to do is to substitute these values in correctly. Now, they've given you that the mode of the modal age of the patients is 54, right? Now, 54 comes in which class? It comes in class 45 to 60, which means the modal class is going to be, modal class is 45 to 60. So, from this, we'll get the value of L as 45. Now, F1 is the frequency of the modal class. So, this is F1. F0 is the frequency of the preceding class and F2 is the frequency of the succeeding class. So F1 will be 16, F0 will be X and F2 is equal to 12. And the value of H is the class size and in this case the class size is 15. Okay, and the mode is already given to be equal to 54. So let's just plug in all of these values in the formula. So 54 is equal to L plus, L here is 45 plus 16 minus x divided by 2 times 16 which is 32 minus f0 which is x minus 12 times h. H here is 15. Okay, so we'll get 54 minus 45 is equal to 15 times 16 minus x divided by 20 minus x. Okay, now 54 minus 45 gives us 9. So 9 times 20 minus x is equal to 15 times 16 minus x. Okay, so let's open up the bracket now. Now 180 minus 9x is equal to 15 times 16 is 240 minus 15x. Okay, so let's rearrange this a little bit. Let me bring the 15x this side. And let me take 180 to the other side of the equation. So I would get 6x as equal to 60, from which I'll get the value of x as 10. So the missing frequency here will be 10. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.